Hi! In front of me is POCO M5S, and today I would like to show you how you can change theme of this device. First of all, you need to open Devices settings. In them, scroll down and tap on Themes section. Now, click on Themes at the bottom left corner if it's not already on, and tap on the one that you wish to apply. In my case, this one. In order to continue, you need to select Free over here. And then click on Apply. Now, as you can see, after a while, theme of my smartphone was successfully changed. If you wish to go back to your default theme though, you need to access the same theme settings, but this time select Profile at the bottom right corner. Then click on Themes over here under Favorites, tap on one of those default ones, and select Apply. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!